Fourth class, EVS. Lesson 3. Animals around us. Learning outcomes. Pupils will be able to identify different types of animals based on activity patterns. Identify different types of animals based on group behavior. Know the behavior of birds and animals. Understand the importance of behavior in animals. Identify the uses of different insects around us. Appreciate role and importance of animals in nature and human life. One Sunday, Harika and Manu went to the field along with their father. By the time they left to return home, it was already evening. The sky was getting dark. Harika looked up at the sky and saw a group of birds flying. She was surprised. All the birds were flying in a line, making loud sounds. Page number 188. To clear a doubt, Harika asked her father, Harika, Dad, why are all those birds making sounds and flying in a line? Father, after roaming outside all day, when birds return to their homes, in the evening, they make sounds to guide the little ones. They also make these calls to find and stay with their mates. Manu, that is really surprising. Does their behavior change with time? Please tell us more about these changes. Behavior of birds and animals. Some birds and animals show special behavior during early morning and evening. Birds and many animals are most active at sunrise and sunset. At this time, they sing, search for food, and move to feeding places from their shelter. Animals that are more active at dawn and dusk are called crepuscular animals. Example: deer, rabbit, foxes and insects like beetles etc. Deer, rabbit, fox, beetle. Animals that are active during the daytime are called diurnal. Diurnal animals are active primarily during daylight hours and rest at night. These animals have enhanced color vision and smaller eyes, adapted to bright light. Page number 190. Example: most birds, cows, dogs etc. Pigeon, cow, dog. Animals that are active at night are called nocturnal animals. They are active primarily at night and sleep during the day. They have specific adaptations that enhance survival in low light conditions. Example: owls, bats, rodents, glowworms, etc. Owl, bat, rat. These animals and birds move from their home to search for food and mates. The birds during dawn and dusk sing loudly to mark their territory and attract mates. Some birds, like minus, gather in large groups and make loud calls before settling for the night. Types of animals based on their behavior. Crepuscular animals, most active at dawn and dusk. Example: deer, rabbit, fox, insects like beetles. Diurnal animals, active during the day. Example: most birds, cows, dogs. Nocturnal animals, active during the night. Example: owls, bats, rodents, glowworms. Page number 192. Let us do Observe your surroundings near your home during the early morning and evening. Note down the birds and animals you see and write what they are doing in the table given below. Serial number, name of the bird or animal. What is it doing? Eating, flying, building a nest, or making sounds. 1. Pigeon. Eating grains. 2. Sparrow. Building a nest. 3. Dog. Barking. 4. Squirrel. Eating nuts. Let us play. Sit, stand and clap game. The teacher explains the rules. When the teacher names a diurnal animal, students have to stand. When the teacher names a nocturnal animal, students have to sit down. When the teacher names a crepuscular animal, students have to clap once. Do you know? Why do some animals and birds live and move in groups? Many animals and birds live in groups to stay safe, find food, and raise their young successfully. They work in their groups together in a coordinated way. We call the group of insects, birds and animals by different names. Flocking. Birds move together in a group to search for food and to stay safe while flying. Birds flying together in a group is called flocking. It keeps birds safe from enemies. During long journeys, they might lose energy. To save energy, they fly in V formation. Example: cranes, geese, etc. Page number 194. Herding. Herding is the practice of animals moving together in a group from one place to another for mutual protection. In elephants, the elderly female leads the herd. Example: buffaloes, elephants, deer, etc. Schooling. Swimming together. A large group of fish swimming in the same direction is called schooling. They move together, almost like a team or a wave. When fish of the same size swim together like this, it confuses bigger fish and helps keep them safe. Page number 196. Swarming. Swarming is when a large group of insects move and live together like a team. For example, ants live in disciplined colonies with work division. Honeybees work together to build hives and share food. This teamwork helps them find food, build homes and stay safe. Examples: bees, ants and wasps. Time to play. Take paper slips equal to the number of students in your class. Write the name of an animal, such as elephant, fish, crane or ant on each slip and fold it. Make the children stand in a circle and drop all the slips in the center. Ask each student to come forward and pick one slip. The students should open their slips quietly and read the name silently. According to the animal written on their slip, they have to make the corresponding sounds and actions, and then find and form a group with others who have the same animal. The group that forms first will be the winner. Matching. 1. A flock of birds. 2. A herd of elephants. 3. A school of fishes. 4. A swarm of bees. Page number 198. Do you know? Insects are also useful to us. Look at the following pictures. Identify the insects and tell their uses. Insects are animals with 6 legs. They live almost everywhere around us. Some insects are pests. They destroy our crop fields. Many more insects are beneficial and are needed to keep nature in balance. We get honey from honeybees. Honey is the best food for children and adults for their energy needs. Some insects like bees, butterflies, and beetles carry pollen from flowers, helping in the pollination of flowers. They are farmer-friendly insects. Farmers get a good yield. Insects like wasps and ladybird beetles eat caterpillars, which destroy crops. They act as natural pest controllers. Silkworms give us silk. Silk sarees and dresses woven with the silk. Let us collect the information about some birds, insects and their uses in our surroundings. Name of the bird or insect. Uses. 1. Butterfly. Helps in pollination of flowers. 2. Honeybee. Gives us honey. 3. Silkworm. Gives us silk. 4. Ladybird, beetle. Eat pests, like aphids and protects crops. Page number 200. We know about the importance of some insects in our daily life. Some children play with some insects like dragonflies and beetles etc., and they harm them. Every creature on the earth has an important role in nature. Don't harm them. Keywords: crepuscular animal, diurnal animal, nocturnal animal, insects, group behavior, flock, herd, schooling, swarming, pollen. What we have learned. The animals and birds move from their home to search for food and mates. Animals active at dawn and dusk are called crepuscular animals. Some animals active during the day are called diurnal animals. Animals active during the night are called nocturnal animals. Animals and birds live in groups to stay safe, find food, and raise their young ones successfully. Some insects like bees and butterflies are useful to us. Improve your learning. 1. Which of these animals is active at night? A. Cow. B. Hen. C. Owl. D. Butterfly. Answer: C. Owl. 2. Which animal usually lives and works in a group? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Ant. D. Snake. Answer: C. Ant. 3. What is called when animals move together in a group for protection? Answer: herding. 4. Name one insect that is useful to us. Answer: honeybee. 5. Why do birds build nests? Answer: birds build their nests to lay eggs and keep their young ones safe. 6. Why do animals like deer live in herds? Answer: animals like deer live in herds to stay safe from enemies. Page number 202. 7. Dogs bark when they saw strangers, because A. They want to play. B. They are tired. C. They are warning and protecting their home. D. They want food. Answer. C. They are warning and protecting their home. 8. Why are insects important for plants and farmers? Answer. Insects help in pollination, which helps plants grow. They also help in controlling pests. This makes crops to grow better. 9. A farmer sees many butterflies in his field. What does this show about his crops? A. Crops will dry. B. Crops will get more pollination and grow well. C. Crops will be eaten. D. Crops will die. Answer. B. Crops will get more pollination and grow well. 10. Why should we not destroy ant hills in gardens? Answer. Ant hills are homes of ants. Ants help in keeping the soil healthy and controlling insects. So we should not destroy them. 11. If all insects disappeared from Earth, what would happen to plants and animals? Answer. Many plants would not get pollinated and would not produce food. Animals that eat plants or insects would not get food and they may die. 12. Animals should be protected because they are important for nature. Do you agree? Give reasons. Answer. Yes, I agree. Animals help in balancing nature. They give us food, help in pollination, and make our environment healthy and beautiful. 13. Is it right to keep birds in cages? Why? Answer. No, it is not right. Birds need freedom to fly and live in their natural habitat. Keeping them in cages makes them sad and unhealthy. 14. You find an injured bird on the road. What should you do? Answer. I should take it carefully and show it an adult or take it to a veterinary doctor. 15. Your mother keeps honey at home. Which insect helped in making it? Answer. Honeybee helped in making it. 16. Create a poster to protect animals and birds. 17. Write a short story or 3 to 4 lines about an animal that helps people. The helpful dog. A dog is a faithful animal. It guards our house and keeps us safe. It helps the police to catch thieves. We should love and care for dogs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.